everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1967 Pontiac GTO. Good car, guys. I've driven this car a couple of times now. We actually just took it on trade. A gentleman who's bought it like 2 years ago, he did not restore it. We didn't get a ton of information with the car, but good car. Nice and tight, really drove good. It is a PHS documented car, and it is a real 242 GTO. This is not a clone. Factory color combination, Regimental red, that's the original color. It has been repainted. I'm going to say this is about an 8-10 year old body up restoration. The underside is pretty much, you know, it's not a frame off or a rotisserie or anything like that, but what I would call a very nice driver. Slick paint, factory black interior, factory black vinyl top. It does have the original 400 engine in it. Good car, like I say, nice and tight, drove out real good. I put new dual exhaust on, it's got brand new flows. Other than that, we just cleaned it up. It is a good car. Of course, it's got that iconic GTO hood. Headlight bezels looks to be original, but they're really nice. A little bit at the top you can kind of pick at. That's just some stuff in there. I love the 67. I call it the chicken mesh grill. A couple of the original T3 headlights. They definitely put new bumpers on this car. It's got the dual chrome mirrors. It's got a new front windshield. It's got the rest of the it's a factory soft ray glass. Vinyl top's in great shape. Sorry, dust here, guys. It does have, this is a power mirror, power antenna. It's got a little bend to it there, and they don't have it hooked up, so I'm assuming that's not going to work. It's probably gotten bent over the years. The original push-button AM radio does work, though. A little scratch there. Nice and straight down the sides. I think they put a new quarter on this side, and I believe Eddie said they put a new floor pan on the driver's side as well. Definitely a new rear bumper. This stainless is in great shape. Love this body style, man. I think 67s are killer, man. One of my favorite GTOs. It's got the factory Rally 2s with the PMD caps and lugs. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. Power steering. It's got the factory power drum brakes. Again, we do have the PHS for the car, and we can match the unit number up, so we know that this is the matching numbers engine. 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds, stock air cleaner, valve covers, power steering, power brakes. It's got the 400 turbohydramatic transmission. Well, I tell you what, it's actually a lot easier shooting these cars on cloudy days. When it's sunny, man, it just puts out flashes, and it's cloudy, man. I think you get a better look at the car. Looks like the original 8-pillar chrome. You can pick at that a little bit. This is a factory remote mirror. The button's pushed in, so I don't think they've got it hooked up. That stainless is in pretty good shape. Looks like the original door handles. There's some dirt on there that'll come right off. Door seams are nice and clean. Pretty much like it would have came in here. Bucket seats with the center console. Door jambs are nice and clean. It's got all the wood grain package on it. Stock sports steering wheel. Seats look good. Headliner looks good. Cracker in the steering wheel. Yeah, it's showing 364. He bought it with like 99.6, so he's put about 1,000 miles on this car in the 2 years he's owned it. Dash is nice. AM radio does work. Blower motor works. It does have the rear speaker option. It's put some aftermarket gauges underneath the dash. It's got the His and Hers dual gauge shifter in it. Again, we put brand new Flowmasters on it. It's got the stock 10-bolt 336 safety track rear end in it. There's your PHS factory jack with spare. It's all spackle coated in here. Again, it was not a frame off or rotisserie, but still nice underneath. They painted it black. Guys, I think that'll come out. These seats might be original. Little split there at the top. They're nice. Owner's manual's in the glove box. Again, gauges are clean. Again, same thing on this side. Car really drove good. Like I said, I put some miles on it. We probably put, I don't know, 10, 15 miles on the car. Car hit the road good. I know they're running zinc oil in it, which is what I recommend as well for the camshafts on these old cars. Well, I love the front end on these cars. Just really a fuel gauge up there, which it works, and then your rest of your gauges work, holding good oil pressure. Everything opens and closes nice. Ah, we got a brake light on this side. Yeah, I bet you the bulbs just, all that stuff would work. Yeah, reverse lights work. Radio come out, but it didn't pick up a station. It's in a, it made, yeah, you can hear it. Blower motor does work. They may not have that. I don't think that antenna is hooked up. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram, our Facebook page, our TikTok page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Car sits good. Good sound.